Hi, I'm Chef Ken Blue here at Hippocrates Health Institute, and we're going to show you Saturday night traditional roll. So we do this every Saturday night, and I've been working here for, like 16 years now. Made many different dishes, and people come up to me and say the best meal that we had the entire week was Saturday night. First time I heard that, I was ready to cry because I didn't even work that night. There was nothing special done. But the good news is, this is one of the most popular and easy to do things. People say, what's the dressing? What's the sauce? There really isn't one. Okay, so a really simple Saturday night special. Some spring mix, or you could use different lettuce in there. Then, as always, it's about the sprouts, but we're gonna cut them up a little. Sunflower sprouts, your most nutritious. You want to just make it nice, bite-sized. Ideally, make sure you don't have any of the seed on there. So just make it so it's a little easier to eat. Chop a little sunflower in there. We'll put buckwheat next, great for your brain, for circulation. A little bit of buckwheat sprouts. So we're just cutting this up. Pea sprouts. See, people are making proteins out of pea. Now we've got the special fresh sprouts. Roll that in there. These you can get anywhere. Mung bean sprouts. Mung beans, great for you. Nice and juicy, easy to use. Carrots, we usually put a little carrot in there. So that's our part of the mix, for people like avocado in there. So make sure you take that little stem piece out of the avocado, because you don't want that to push that into your roll or into the avocado that you're going to eat. So that should always come out. I'm just going to simply go around, little twist. We've opened that up. And then if there's a little piece of the avocado that's not great, you can just cut that off, because they're not all perfect. A little gentle tap, and that will twist right out. So you have to do, you could get a spoon dirty and everything. You want to keep it simple. Have fun. It's a big part of life and making your food. Have fun. Just gently squeeze the skin. Look, it all just pops right out. And if you want to check and make sure you didn't really waste anything, nothing's really wasted there. So we'll put that to the side. Just really gentle, just slides out. So you've got your avocado. We can mash it up a little. Yes, you could use a fork, but why get more things dirty? Because now, as I said, people say, what's the dressing? That's the dressing, the avocado. So you say, well, we lost a little bit, we could add some more in. You could leave some in nice pieces. It's nice to get a nice chunk. Does it matter my hands are a mess? No, because that's going to then coat onto our sprouts. And you don't need to be rough and crush this all, unless you like to. Just lightly toss it in there. So when people say, what's the dressing? Well, that was the whole dressing. Sometimes they want to argue with me. No, it had a sauce on it. No, I swear, that was it. That was the sauce, I'm pretty sure, because we made it. Now, for your roll, yes, we often have sprouted grain tortillas. They do have ones that are rice, but we always have out, for those being 100% raw, collard leaves. Now collard, you often get that nice stem. I say nice, but it's really not so nice to eat, so we're going to just shave that off so it's not so thick and take out part of that chewiness. You can go back and if you want to be very particular without cutting the whole leaf. So that's going to be less chew. Of course, this is fine just like this. You could have that as your salad. But sometimes it's nice to be able to just pick up your food and eat it, have a little more fun. So we've got a nice section in there in the center. We'll fold it over. We'll tuck a little bit off center. I cheated, I adjusted it. And then we can just roll that up. You have a nice wrap. And then put that on our plate. Move this out of the way. We have a nice little cross section. You see some avocado in there. And you have a nice meal to pick up. Now you could add in here dressings. We always have out our house dressing, our red pepper tahini dressing. We'll go into those another time, but that's just the basics of the roll right there. Enjoy.